What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to take a look at the triple Qs. Now, if you had trouble today kind of finding a trade or kind of, not knowing which way to go, whether long or short, and you're just kind of throwing on trades for the sake of throwing on trades, you're doing yourself a disservice. Look at next week, we have 4th of July weekend. A lot of big money, institutional traders, a lot of big retail traders, they start to kind of wind down heading into this weekend. And in fact, what I'm looking to do is tomorrow, probably just trade up until lunchtime, see if some levels kind of confirm, and if not, probably just come back next week. Because the last thing that big money or institutional traders or big retail traders are doing right now is throwing all kinds of money on the table when we're in a little bit of just a consolidation period, a little bit of a distribution. Now, we're looking at the NASDAQ 100 ETF, which is the triple Qs. The last 3 days, we are getting tighter and tighter and tighter, stuck in between this range of the 20 SMA as well as the 10 SMA. We can't really kind of confirm that to the long side. We haven't really broken down and confirmed it to the short side. When one of these levels confirms, that's the side of the trade that we're going to really want to be on. So I'm going to keep this very, very simple. If we do start to lose the bottom of this range here, you can see going back 1, 2, 3 days here. If we start to lose this 20 period moving average below $360.42, that's where things can sort of get aggressive. Even if you don't trade the triple Qs, you can start to look towards other technology names like Meta or Microsoft, Apple, AMD, NVIDIA, so forth and so forth. Start to look for some of those levels starting to break down. If we do want to continue to hold this range and bounce to the upside, we're still looking for that 365 break. Now, if I look at to see what the market makers have us priced in for this week is $3.40. So with that kind of being taken a look at, $3.40 from where we closed today would put us at around 366, 367 to the top side, which is going to be testing this upper range here. Now, if we do finish at the top of this range, this is bullish going into next week. Okay, so bullish going into next week. Market makers have us staying inside this range to the top side. Now, obviously, if things do break out, okay, if they do break out, that's when things get really aggressive, and you're going to want to take advantage of that move. And if we look at the $3.50 to the downside, we would be looking at a price point of this 20 period moving average here. So the market makers really don't have us going anywhere outside of this zone this week. So again, with that being said, if you can't find a trade, it's completely okay. There's no reason to kind of stress it. What we are really looking for here is the breakdown to start to take this short position. And when we can take this short position, we have room all the way down to 351. If we get the breakout to the top side next week, we would be looking for a 372.31 break to the top side and start to try to test this all-time high channel here. But again, stay patient, guys. There's no rush. There's no real reason to kind of force trades, right? Again, that's the levels that we're playing. You're looking for a confirmation over today's highs, or you're looking for those bears to take control and lose and reclaim that 20 SMA on the daily time frame. That's all I got for you guys on the triple Qs. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day live, where you kind of get access to, to chat, to one-on-ones when you need them, also to my 2 video courses, make sure to join evolutiontraders.com. It's a one-time fee for a lifetime worth of value there. And with that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next video.